Hi guys, welcome to subscribe us on YouTube. That's James from Easygoe channel. Here allow me introduce a new released temperature control box for doves or cannabis. This smart box can be easily manipulated by remote control. Okay, let's go check how this temperature control box works. Open up the stand equipped suitcase. You're gonna see what you have now. The box, the connector wires, heating rod, titanium board, and the container, and the remote control. First, connect the connectors from the back side to the front side. Then, connect the heating rod to the bowl. If you like, you're gonna need buy an extra water pipe for your instrument, like this or like that. Okay, then let's jump to the operation. Let's see how it works. On the back, you can turn it on this power switch. On front side, you can repress the temperature by the rotary knob. This lip knob is used to switching Fahrenheit and Celsius. Also, you can control it by a remote control. The red screen shows the actual temperature of heating rod, and the greenish area shows the preset temperature. On preset, you can use the rotary knob or remote control. With remote control, you can switch the scale of degree, preset, and turn on or turn off the heating process. Now, I have set the temperature to 939 Fahrenheit degree. Press the start button. The signal light blinks means it's climbing to the settled temperature. Then, you can see it's climbing high to the settled temperature. Then I dropped a globe to have the heating rod cooled. You can see the temperature going down. But still, the temperature will go back to the settled temperature. Okay guys, that's how our control box goes. After getting yourself high, don't forget to press the pause button on the remote control, and the heating rod will go back to normal, and also you can see the signal light stop blinking. Okay, now let's flip over. Don't forget to turn off your instrument, okay? And install the accessories, put them back to your suitcase. Keep it in good condition. Thank you guys. If you like us, please subscribe or visit us by below website. See you guys next time. Bye.